अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाजरीन, वेलकम टू MA न्यूज़।
नंदनवनम LB नगर एरिया में एक बच्ची के साथ 3 लोगों ने बहुत ही गैर इंसानी तरीके से, एक तरीके से हैवानी तरीके से एक जो है वो सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट किया और उसमें 2 लोग उनके साथ उनकी हेल्प किए इस पूरे वाकये में। ये नेरम, ये क्राइम पुलिस के नोटिस में आने के तुरंत बाद इमीडिएट उस पर एक्शन लेके पहले तो बच्ची के स्टेटमेंट के हिसाब से केस दर्ज किया गया। उसके बाद इमीडिएटली फौरी पुलिस हरकत में आके सफिशिएंट नंबर ऑफ पुलिस पार्टीज डिस्पैच की गई। ये जो भी लोग इसमें इन्वॉल्व थे वो सब लोग अनकनेक्टेड रिफरेफ थे। एक आदमी उसमें से राउडी शीटर है, आबिद, मंगलहाट का राउडी शीटर है। उसके मदर फादर जो है झिर्रा आसिफ नगर में रहते हैं, तो वो इसका एक मेन एक्यूज्ड है जिसने सब कार्रवाई को इसको क्राइम को अंजाम दिया। उसके साथ में एक महेश एलियास माही और एक तहसीन जो अभी फरार है। ये 3 लोगों ने आबिद इससे पहले कुछ दिनों पहले बच्ची को फॉलो करना और उसके साथ थोड़ा सा कुछ एडवांसमेंट करने की कोशिश की थी, फिजिकल एडवांसमेंट। उसमें बच्ची ने उसको करारा जवाब देके चुप करा दिया था। उसके 1 हफ्ते बाद ये अपने 3 साथियों के साथ में घर में घुसा। उस टाइम पे बच्ची के 2 ब्रदर और 1-2 लोग और थे, बच्चे खेल रहे थे कुछ। तो ये जो दूसरे लोग हैं अशरफ और नरसिम्हा, इन्होंने उन बच्चों को डरा समझा के छत पे भिजा दिया और उसके बाद इन 3 लोगों ने उसके साथ फिजिकल असॉल्ट किया और सेक्सुअल असॉल्ट भी किया। ये इंफॉर्मेशन आने के बाद इसकी जो सेंसिटिविटी है, इसकी जो सीरियसनेस है, उसको समझते हुए इमीडिएटली फौरी हरकत में आने के बाद तकरीबन 7 पार्टियां तुरंत बनाई गई।
Rape and aggravated sexual assault by 3 people on a minor girl, which was reported in the Nandivanam area of LB Nagar nearby. That is there. That area is basically slightly, poor people will be there, and this girl also, along with her 3 brothers, she used to reside in one of the small rooms over there. These accused were also residing nearby, one of the accused, and the parents are not there with them, so their grandmother's cousin was taking care of them. And in this condition, one rowdy sheeter by name Abid, somehow he got to see this girl and she tried to follow and make some physical unwelcome advances towards the girl, for which he was rebuked badly by the girl. Yesterday on 21st, this Abid along with his 2 friends, rather 4 friends, 2 friends, this Mahi, Mahesh alias Mahi, and Tehseen, these 3 fellows, they barged into the room. Other 2 people who were helping them, Ashraf and Narsimha, they sort of threatened those children, sent them out on the roof and threatened not to open their mouth. And then after that, these 3 people, they committed aggravated sexual assault on the minor. So that is a shocking incident, very unfortunate incident. The moment it was brought to the notice of police, immediately police took cognizance of that. DCP Garu rushed there, DCP SOD also went. I myself went to the police station. We found out all the information about all the people who were directly or indirectly involved in this crime. Then after that, one by one, we started searching out for them. They had disappeared from the scene, and then after a certain track, they all went in the different direction. So we made around 12 teams. So they were all spread from Vanistalipuram, Meerpet, LB Nagar, all across city on up to Umnabad. So main accused Abid went to Umnabad, where again he got to know that probably some police team is waiting for him. So he came back, and while he was trying to get some cash and clothes and charger for his mobile, on the information, DCP LB Nagar and their team, they nabbed him. The other people were also arrested. So as of now, 7 people are in custody. 3 are direct perpetrators of crime. Ashraf and Narsimha were present at the crime and helping them. Other 2 people, Faisal and Imran, even after knowing the ghastly act committed by them, ghastly inhuman crime committed by them, they helped in escaping them. So all the accused will be charged as per the relevant sections, and we will try our level best to do a thorough investigation, get all the evidences to secure a good conviction. Anybody else whose direct or indirect help either before or commission was there will also be booked into and not be spared. Thank you.